There's the trailhead, and it goes way up. You can see the top, but I don't know how the weather's going to deteriorate the rest of the day. It's supposed to be a front moving in, so we'll see. Yeah, it's 3 miles to the Lake of the Clouds, and that's our first goal. We get to Mount Washington, God bless us. God bless us. Ammonoosuc River, which is there. It's a good steady climb. And Mount Washington's over there about 100 miles away. There are many falls on the way up. Hope we don't fall, but this is a fall. We're gonna cross over? Yeah, I guess so. Yep. Did you notice? No?
Just a gorge.
It's a gorge. It's a something falls. Probably Ammonoosuc Falls. On the side cascade there. Down to the pool. Imagine that water's nice and cool. Oh, we got a lot of up to go yet. A lot of up. See the hotel? Mount Washington Hotel. We're getting up there. We just saw the falls there. Met some people from Pennsylvania. Shot the shit with them for a little bit. Boys gave me a head start. So now we're back on the trail over here. I'll catch you later. So getting up there. Whew. No mercy. No mercy on this hill. Whew. Oh. Rocks and roots all the way. Oh, hell, I need 2 hands. Bye. Is that pretty?
Hey, I can fight on it.
Careful, I'm losing my balance. Yeah, I'm tired. Continue up the trail. There's our destination. Up there with the radio towers. There's a ridge that the cog railroad goes down. Look at that, huh? Oh my. Oof. Oofa. Oofa. Look how pretty, huh? We got about another mile, and we got a good rest spot up at Lake in the Clouds. Catch over here. It's windy over here too. It's on a col between Mount Madison on the other side. There's a pin across the Gulf, they call it over here. Here's the boys. And we're going to take a rest, and we're going to dress up, and we're going to give it a try. Hot. We stop and put our long pants on, put our jackets on, have a cup of coffee. Oh, now, expect 50 on Washington. Up we go, 1.4 miles. Hopefully we should be there in an hour or so. Well, the weather closes in on us. Making progress. There's the hut. It's called the Gulf. And there's some more rocks. And there's the top. We're getting there, little by little. One of our mini breaks. Whew. Starting to get overcast now. And we got much more to go, but right there, maybe another quarter of a mile. I need a break. We made it. Yay. Now we're going to take the Washington stage line down. Tip-top house. Facing north. And this is the Summit House. We're going to go and have a cup of coffee. And we're going to Had a nice cup of coffee and a hot dog and a bowl of chili. Warmed the insides. Now our legs are gonna hurt and hurt. There's nothing like going down. That's right. Taking the skin off and the filth. Well, now our job is to find Jewel Trail. And the clouds are starting to roll in. I don't know if you can see them. And that don't look good.
Oh, did
Bye. Moseying on down. The wind's picking up. Getting cooler. Clouds are moving in the back over there. So we're trying to get below the tree line over here so we're going to get buried in white mist, which should be hitting us in an hour or so. But here's the Cog Railroad. We're going down the Gulf side, which is on the opposite way of where we came up. And we're looking for the Jewel, about 1.2 miles from the last intersection up there. Hang a hard left, and it's an easy jaunt. And the Cog Railroad coming up. See it? Black smoke is the coal for the engine, and the white is steam for the whistle. How slow they go up. And they're going to go way, 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 way up there. Okay? We're making some progress coming down. Almost back to the Jewel Trail. Another 3/10 of a mile. And we'll make a fork down towards the car. Much easier going down. Except our legs hurt. Smoke from that stupid engine over there. Look at it. Look at that pollution. The Indian would cry. Getting down into the tree line. This into the alpine zone. Oh, rocks. Rocks and rocks and rocks. Oh. Getting into tree line over there. Down into an opening. 2 hours and 20 minutes into our walk. There's the clouds up there. And we're still walking. And still walking. And still walking. Oh man. 5 hours up, 5 hours back.
Want to smell monkey butt?
Oh, I'm hurting. But we did it. Even though we're hurting, we did it. As Ma would say, you guys are dummies.